put 5 florets of these broccoli as well. The broccoli is there for the sulforaphane, and it's critical with the broccoli that after you juice or blend them, you let it stand for 10 minutes before you consume it. So that's why I normally put my juice in the freezer while I clean my juicer. So when I've cleaned my juicer, it takes 5 or 10 minutes, so the timing is just right. So this is the broccoli, and these are my paintings in the background. The theme is, of course, the kitchen. So this is a chef on a bicycle holding some wine with a bag of bread. These are some baguettes and a lady chef in the kitchen. And this is the chef in the kitchen, I don't know, tossing potatoes or something. This is my tomato-based vegetable juice for Thursday, 27th of February 2020, lunchtime. This is my lunch together with my vegan burgers. It's really nice. I've had one glass. It makes 1.2 liters. I've got a whole bunch of very ripe tomatoes. In fact, this is the first time I'm juicing tomatoes whole, because these tomatoes were very ripe, and they were much smaller than the ones that I normally buy. I normally buy them from the Bangladeshi shops where they have very big and ripe tomatoes, but these were on sale at Segi Fresh. They were much smaller, but they were ripe. I chose the ripe ones. So I juiced them whole together with the seeds, which I don't normally do. And I've got pineapple in it, coriander leaves, ginger, some lemon. I just had one slice of lemon in there, but because I made 1.2 liters, it could do with up to 3 slices of lemon, because the ratio is 1 slice of lemon for every 400 ml of juice. I've also added some Worcester sauce, some lean parents, and a few turns of Kampot black pepper. So it's got a nice oomph. The lemon is not overpowering, neither is the coriander, the cilantro. Coriander leaves, cilantro are not overpowering. It's just nice. It's a really nice combination. So I'm really happy with this juice.